Let's see question number 21. The height of Karan is CLX centimeter and the height of Sahil is CLII centimeters. Who is taller among them? So, as a sugar math kid, you should be smart enough to understand this is CL, this is CL. We will not consider this. We will consider X, which is 10, and II, which is 2, and understand that Karan is taller. But let's try to decode each of the Roman numbers and see if our elegant solution is correct. So CLX, as you guys know, C is 100. So this can be written as 100 plus L is 50 plus X is 10. Now, which is going to be 160. Now, let's write down Sahil's height, which is CLI, and this is equal to 100. As we know, C is 100 plus 50 plus 2, which is 152. Here we know that Karan is taller than Sahil. So the height of Karan is taller. So option A is correct. Let's look at question number 22. Sumit scored CDL XXXII marks in the annual examination. What is the Hindu Arabic number for this Roman number? So what we need to do is write this Roman number into Indian format, which is CDL X X X I I. So one smart way of looking at it is look at the last two numbers. It's 2. So you can understand that A and D cannot be your answer. Now let's try to understand how to solve this. As we know, D is 500 and C is 100. So 500 minus 100 is going to be 400 plus, L is 50, X is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is going to be 30 plus II is going to be 2. So our answer is 482, which is option C. Let's look at question number 23. Soham has 5 balls having digits 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7. The smallest 5-digit odd number that Soham can form using these digits each only once is. So the conditions are he has got 5 balls numbered 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7, and we need to construct a 5-digit number where we do not repeat the number, and it also has to be an odd number. So let's write down, since we have to find the smallest number, let's write down these numbers in ascending order. So the first smallest number is 1, followed by 2, then you have 3, then you have 4, and then you have 7. The moment you write these numbers in ascending order, you get the smallest number possible, which is option D. Let us now look at question number 24. Question number 24 reads as, Shikha makes a profit of rupees 85 crores 3,55,039. Her profit can be written in Indian system as. So you need to, as a sugar or math student, you need to notice that 39 is what it's ending with. So we know that there are only 2 options that are ending with 39, which is option A and option B. these two numbers are not ending with 39, so we can eliminate them. Now, if you closely look at option A and option B, they exactly have the same numbers, which is 88550035, 5503 and 9. But the question is asked in the Indian format. They have used the word crores. That means you have to be very careful on where the commas are. The commas here are marked in Indian system, whereas the commas here are marked in the international system. So, since the question is in crores, you have to check the option that is in the Indian system, which is option B is correct. Let us now look at question number 25, which is the last question of the class 5 everyday mathematics of the IMO Olympiad workbook. On some day, factory A produces 4,12,250 tea bags. Factory B produces 3,34,278 tea bags. Factory C produces 4,24,358 tea bags, and Factory D produces 3,45,896 tea bags. Which factory produces the greatest number of tea bags on that day? If you see, all our options A, B, C, and D are in lakhs. 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, right? So we can immediately eliminate option D and B because there are 3 lakhs range, but option A and option C are in the 4 lakh range. So among these, factory C produces 4,24,358 tea bags, which is higher. So we have to check factory C, which is option C, produces the highest number of tea bags.